Alright, boys and girls, today we're doing a Photoshop tutorial. Uh, you gotta make not really a tutorial for Photoshop, but it's for making a thumbnail. But we use Photoshop for that. Alright, all you gotta do is open Photoshop, and if you don't have it, then it's not supposed to be here. Look at that, look at that. My face is shining bright. I mean, if you don't have it, just torrent it or some shit. Yeah, so just go here, open the application, click on press Control N or just new or whatever you want to do. Delete. Why is this here? I'm gonna delete that. All right, so custom. You go here, change this to pixels. Make sure it's to pixels because sometimes it'll be in centimeters or whatever. I don't know. And make sure the width is 1920. Make sure the height is 1080, and the resolution is 300. Click create. There you go. Voila. That is the screen of your stuff. Now we're making a Fortnite thumbnail. Alright, let's say we're using a skin. Alright, what skin are we using? We're using a Dark Knight skin. Fortnite. There you go. We just take that. If you want to do more work, you could just, if you don't want to do more work, is what I meant. If you don't want to do more work, then you just click on PNG. Type it with it, and you get a transparent thingy. So, that's not really transparent, but yeah, you can do that or whatever. I'm just gonna take one so I can show you how to take out the background, or I could just use this, but yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna find this. All right, let's copy it. Copy this image. Control V and paste. Whoa, it just mind blowing. Now that it is a white background for now, so it's not gonna make a big difference. But once I click on this and do that, and wait, all right, never mind. Yeah, just go here and make this big, make this bigger. Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. I'm just trying to make it bigger. So use the quick selection tool, or you could use the pen tool. But that's for people who want more work. We don't want more work. We want to finish up as quick as we can, right? So we have more free time. Now just hold it down, go slowly, don't go faster, you mess it up and you're gonna start again. Look at that, easy. People spend hours on this because they use the pen tool. Like, seriously, just use this, it's not that hard. Right, just get some parts done. Oh, Control Z, I messed up. Control Z is to undo, if you didn't know. And just go here. If you look at my mouse, it's on the bottom right, and I'm clicking on the mask tool. You click on that, boom, it's gone, but you can't really tell right now because it's a white background. Right, let's get a background now. Say we're making a video for, we get a 20 kill bomb, right? So we need a Fortnite background. Make sure you get the width and the height with it. Like, you have to type that in. If you don't, then you'll mess up your background. Okay, let's go and find one, boys and girls. We could use this. Yeah, let's use this. Copy the image. If you're not sure if it's 1920 and times 1080, you can just always look at the bottom left, and you'll see what it says is 1920 times 1080. We don't need the browser anymore, so we can close that. Alright, now we gotta press Control Z. I said, sorry, that's Control Z. Control V. And you see, where's your Dark Knight? Oh my god, calm down, boys, calm down. You see your layer? Put it below layer 1. Magic. See, now, if we didn't take out the background, it would have been just a white big thing. Alright, boys. Now make this big. You gotta show them that you got that skin. Make sure you're using this skin in the game, or else you're just messing around and doing nothing. Anyways, after you've got that, all you gotta do is press T to get text, right? So we type in 20 kill boom. Oh my god, look at me. I'm Gordon Ramsay. What? I'm Ninja. What? Okay, I think the white color would suit it best for now. Yeah, Control A. I forgot about that part. Yeah, it does. It does suit it, boys. It. Oh, sorry, I moved my camera. I got a little too excited. Let's make the text bigger. Make it look. Um. Okay, maybe it's too big now. Never mind. Let's make it 18 pt. It's perfect. All right, make sure you use a really bold text, or if you're not gonna use a bold text, then it's just gonna start looking weird, and it's not gonna look like you gotta get those details in. And if you don't get the bold text, it's not gonna be detailing. I don't even know if that's a word. Anyways, look at that. Boom, it looks cool. Now what you gotta do before you do anything else, which is a part I forgot, alright? It's fine, we can still do it. You gotta click on this bad boy. Click on the layer twice, and it's gonna open up this bad boy up. And click on outer glow. Boom. Now I already set this up, so it's already there for me. But I'll do it again for you guys. All you gotta do is change the opacity to 100. Make sure the spread is not more than 84. There you go. The size should be 10. 10. Come on. There you go. And you can also drop a shadow if you want. If you think it looks good. You see, you don't see the shadow right now because the size is too small. You can increase the size as needed. There you go. Now it looks epic. You click on OK. Epic games, boys and girls. Epic games. Now all you gotta do is Control T this bad boy. Left click. And there should be a button about wrap text. There you go. Warp, I meant. That's not what I meant. Oh no. This can go back in. Can stay there. Control T. Why do you open up? Alright. Fine. There's something wrong, but we'll fix it, boys. Just calm down. Calm the hell down. Warp text. You can go here and choose any if you want. You can go for the flag one. I really don't like it, but we gotta do it anyways. Control T. Sure. Control T. I mean not Control T. Just go here, and you see this button on top. Click on it. It's gonna bring this back. Click on none. Done. Click this. Do that. Oh my god, it's not working. There's something wrong. I know for a fact I'm not doing anything wrong, but yeah, whatever. You can choose the way you want your text. We'll just skip that part, alright? Because it's not working. And you can do that. Boom. You have yourself a little text over here. You can close that. Look, it was supposed to look better, but it's not looking better because we can't do any shit. We can't do anything about that. Now you see it doesn't look that good. We can actually change the color of this because we also need to add shadows and we need to add some outer glow. So maybe if we put it on yellow, maybe that. Nah, that's kind of weird. It's a weird color. Not gonna lie. Make it completely green. All right. That's a weird color choice, but we have to go with it. Alright, so now as you know, I added the outer glow and the shadow for the skin. All you have to do is click on the outer glow thingy. You hold Alt, you bring it up, hold it down to text. Boom. Do the same with the drop shadow, hold Alt, and you click, you use your mouse. You click on the drop shadow, you hold it, you bring it up to your text. Boom. I can't say that. Alright, that looks amazing. Now all you gotta do is actually you gotta use the browser. I am dumb, I agree. Now you see those victory royale. Oh my god, look at me. I haven't gated the game, bro. Look at me. So all you gotta do is take the PNG if you want, or you could just be like me and lazy, use the PNG, or you could just cut it out on your own. If it's your choice, really. I really can't do anything about it if you don't want to choose it. But fine, we choose the PNG. We go to Photoshop, press Control V, boom. Now we gotta do is click on the I button, and it takes out everything you have. So now we're just focusing on this. Again, we go to the selection tool. We go quickly select that bad boy. Let's do it. Make sure you get everything detailed. Like I really gotta check if that's a word because I'm really using it without knowing if it's a word. Anyway, and then you go to the bottom right. Oh my god, that's the bottom right. Right, click on the add layer mask. Boom. Now all you gotta do is use this and click on the eye icon again. You bring back everything. Don't worry, it's here. It's chilling. You can click on your text. You can. Oh god, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to bring it down here. You can. Yeah. So now click on the Victory Royale PNG. Click on it. Now you can move it around and shit. You wanna. Oh god, I messed up. Control Z that shit. I'm sorry, too much in this video. Woo! Can make it go crazy. Not too much, nothing too much. Wait, what the hell? What else happened with my, yeah, so somehow the drop shadow escaped from my text. We can add it back, no worries. No whack and flurries, boys, no whack and flurries. No whack and flurries. Alright, let's move that to the right, left a bit. Oh, that looks epic. That looks sick. To make it look realistic, you can just make it straight, to be honest. Alright. You could stop here, but only little kids do that. We still going. Put this up here. Make sure it's perfectly aligned. You can also move this a bit. It takes a little bit of time to, get the perfect sortation of whatever the hell I'm doing. Alright, now you gotta go back to the browser. You search up a Dead Skull Fortnite. You actually search up the Fortnite kill logo thingy. Yeah, that thing. You take that shit, you copy it, come back here, and again, wait, you gotta click on that, boom, and you Control V. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Now what you gotta do is do the same thing, click on the eye icon, and it should take away everything you have. Now you can this will easily be done, just click it once because it's just one thing with a white background and it really doesn't add to the contrast. So all you gotta do, again, click on the mouse thingy. Oh no, I messed up. Control Z. Forgot about that part. Yeah, there you go. Make sure you the whole circle thingy is in there. Don't mess up like me. We'll have to press Control Z, which is annoying. Now click on the add layer mask, and you can click on the moving tool from the right, top right, and click on the eye icon so you can bring everything back. Now you bring this down, and you press T to put text. Make sure it's right next to the kill thingy. You press 20. Oh my god! Now Control A. You go 30 or whatever you want. Actually, it's all up to you. I'm gonna go with 24. Make it the color black because I really like the color. And if you want, you can add some weird stuff to it, like fisheye. That's not what I meant. But yeah, whatever. You get the point. You can. What is happening? Okay, what is happening? Oh, alright. Okay, you can, you get the point. You can inflate it, or you can squeeze it as you wish. It's all, I don't know what the hell is happening. Like, there you go. I would keep it I should actually inflate it. It's gonna be way better. Inflate it. What? All right, now click on that moving tool. Boom. You could actually just stop here, but we don't want to do that, right? We don't want to do that. I messed up. That's not what I had to do. Right, now I gotta take the color. You can make it red. You can make it pop rain. Boom. I'll keep it a red. Right, now go here. And again, you can press Alt to hold down Alt, and then you can bring it to the text. Where's the text? Oh, what? Where did the text go? Where did the text go? For God's sake. Alright, there it is. I see it. Hold on Alt, bring it up here. Hold on Alt again, you bring this up here. Boom. That looks epic. Now, if you want to move this, you can bring it a bit up here to make it look better. Can make it go. You have to press Control T for that. Then you can move this around if you want. I'm just gonna keep it there. And that's actually pretty much it. You have yourselves a little thumbnail. Oh my god, I am so tired. Oh, this was actually really it. I also gave away my information that I learned. Yeah, that was it. That was I don't know, 20 minutes. 20 minutes of your life that actually was important if you're trying to do YouTube stuff. Right out. So I know a lot of my friends were trying to do YouTube and they like stopped because they couldn't, like they couldn't keep up with the stuff they had to do, like thumbnails. Like it's a lot of work, to be honest. Like my video, I didn't take like 8 hours at least. Sometimes it takes less, sometimes it takes more, depending on how long the video is. And yeah, I know like my Fortnite video quality is like not that good, but I'm trying my best. I'm still new to this. Yeah, I know I've been doing it for 3 years now, but yeah, I'm still kind of new. All right, I really started taking it serious this year, and I didn't actually focus on it until like I don't know, like 2019 in maybe July or June. But the point is, you learned something from me. So why don't you like this video and support me and comment down below if you want more videos like this? Because I'm ready to do it. You want me to show you how I did my videos? Sure, I'll teach you. You want to know how to make a cool gaming intro? I know how to do that. I'll teach you. I used to have a gaming channel, but I deleted it because I don't know why. But yeah, I would save it, but I really don't need this thumbnail. I don't even have that skin, so I'm just gonna click no. Boom. Oh, that's what I used to record. See, now it looks weird. Right, that's pretty much it. If I turn off studio mode, you can see those infinite loops. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.